Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can install Xilinx ISE 14.7 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It means you can install on Windows 10 also or Windows 11 also. Step-by-step process I will explain here in this. So now let's move on. The first thing which you need to do is to go see the softwares you need. Okay, so the first software, that is, now I will show you in the properties. I'm going to show you what is the name. Now you see Visual Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributable. Okay, so this is the first software which you need, and the second software that is required, that is VirtualBox. That is the virtual platform on which Xilinx ISE 14.7 will work. So first go to the first software, how you can download and then how you can install. Okay, first I will explain you how you can download these all three softwares, and then after I will explain you how you can install these all three, because these two means Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and the VirtualBox. These two are required for installing Xilinx ISE 14.7. So in the properties of this, here the name description given. So what you can do, you people can write down or note down, and you can copy, and you can search in the, you can paste here. So I pasted the same thing here and then press enter. So now you see the first website that comes from the Microsoft. So here it is written latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. So click here, and then here go down, and here written latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. So for different yes, for different architectures, links are given. For example, here ARM64 architecture, the link given for the software, and x86 and x64. Since my computer system's configuration is of x64, so that's why I will click on this, and then I can download. Simply you click on this and download it will start. So as you can see, as I click here, the download, now here you can see in the download, now it started. I didn't, it completed. Okay, so this is the first. And the second thing which you can do, you can simply search in the Google this Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022. so now you see, and I here paste. Now this one you can write down, okay, in the Google search box, and then you press enter. Again, the first website which you will come, that is from the Microsoft, the official website. This is Microsoft's official website. So from here you can directly download. Okay, and the second software which is required for this is this VirtualBox. What is that? VirtualBox. So for that, what you can do, you go to Google's search box, and then you type in virtual, VirtualBox. Simply this one VirtualBox, if you type in, then the first website that it will come, that is www.virtualbox.org. okay, this is Oracle virtual machine. Okay, so click on this first. As you click on this first, then now you see you came to this website homepage, or Oracle VirtualBox, that is. So now from this website you can directly go to downloads. Now in the left hand side you have downloads. Click on downloads, and then you have VirtualBox 7.0.16 platform package. Now for different operating systems, just like Windows hosts, Mac OS, Linux, So this means for many different kinds of operating systems you can download. Since I'm using Windows 10, so that's why Windows host I will select. Simply click on this. When you click on this, then it will start downloading. Now you can see here uh, recent download history. Now your VirtualBox 7.0.16 series downloading. Okay, so in this way these two you can download. And now the third software that is required for this is Xilinx ISE 14.7 itself. Okay, so now you can see I have already downloaded and I extracted, because generally uh, this one Xilinx IC 14.7, it is zip form, so that I extracted, and this is the setup file and other supporting files here. So how you can download this Xilinx ISC 14.7? So if you want to download Xilinx ISC 14.7, what you can do, simply go to Google and you type in Xilinx ISE download. You type in Xilinx ISE download, then the first website it will come www.xilinx.com, and here written AMD. So Xilinx, this is the name of the company. So this one, it is taken over by AMD, and about AMD you already know, because of processors of AMD it comes in the market. Yes, now when you click on that link, then you reach here. So reach here, so here it is written 14.7 Windows 10. Okay, it is written Windows 10, and then so here what you can do, you can directly click on this. And one more thing, here it is written 14.7 Windows 10, so it will work on both I will explain you how you can use the same software uh, to use. You can use the same software on Windows 10 and 11 both, so don't worry. So here it is the file. Okay, the file written, yes 14.7 Windows 10. So it is size of this file, it is 15.52 GB. So here you have to click. When you click on this, then it will redirect you to login page. So if you have already the account on Xilinx website, then you can put in your email address and password and then sign in, and then as you sign in, then you will be able to download that. Okay, and the second way is that if you do not have the account, very easy, this is free, so no issue. So you click on the create account. When you click on the create account, so simply you put your name and last name, email, and preferred language, location, and submit. Okay, so for example, I'm writing my name, it's like Rawson. Now, okay, and then after email address, also you have to give here, which is like I'm going to give so the steps are very easy. So by following my steps, how you can easily download and install. Okay, now the email address done, name done, preferred language English, okay, location India. So you have to go to India, because I'm from India, so that's why I will have to select India. Done. Then I'm not a robot. Done. So if you have bicycle, select all squares with bicycle. Okay, this one, this, and this. Verify. Okay, and then submit. So when you click on the submit option, then one access token, uh, it comes to the email. So the email which you gave here na, so on that email that it comes, and one password you can put in, and the password, it should be what kind of password, it should be here just below, that is mentioned. Must contain 10 character, one lower case letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. So here done. So here the password I have given, the same password. Okay, and the next thing which you need to do is to check your email address. That, so email, you have to check that whether this token here, it is an access token, that it came to your email or not. Yes, email, that access token, it came to my email address. So that what I'm going to log in to my, I'm going to log in to my email. So okay, first of all, this is my account, so that I will have to log in, then only after I will be able to here enter. Now here I have here, yes, here I have entered my passkey. So what you can do, I will show you. That is okay. Passkey, here access token I have already entered, password also. Now here I'm not a robot. As you click, then activate account. So you have to click on activate account. When you click on this activate account, then your account, it will be created. Okay, next activation, here go, please check your email for MD. I think that it was the problem with the password. So again I will have to enter. So okay, let me re-enter this. Okay, I think password, it was coming wrong. So it was, I think, some kind of mistake I did. Yes, password matched. Then after I'm not a robot, then after activate the account, let's see that whether that is going to work or not. I think it should work. Yes, I think that it worked. Now by using same credential, just like by using the same email address and the password, you have to log in. Okay, here, now here I entered my email, and then after I will have to enter password. Password, it is a little bit long, so that's why it takes time. Okay, now I signed in. So after signing in, I will be able to downloads. So now here download center, name and address verification, here it came. So I have the account. So now you can see name, first name, last name, this one. Company name you can give anything, just like here I can give address, you can give now then, and here mandatory, whatever, wherever that is now asterisk symbol, so those are mandatory. Just like here pin, select state you have to select I am from the state of Jharkhand, so that's I can do. So then city, what you can do here, Ranchi, then postal code, phone number, so these are I think not mandatory, so no issue. Job function, so what kind of job I have. So here you can put anyone, just like here, and you put engineering management, hardware enthusiast, pro hobbies. So I am just putting there the hardware enthusiast, that much, and then when you click download, then download it will start. So now download. Now you see when I click, then download is started. Now you see here at the right top corner written as Xilinx ISE 14.7. now it started to download. Okay, but I already have this software, so I do not have to download again, so I will use that to install. So I'm closing this. Now close this, close them. Okay, this is the way how you can download Xilinx ISE. Clear? And now you see here my account is already created. So now I am going to sign out. After downloading for your, you can sign out, and now you have all three kinds of software. So now you see here virtual box, I already explained how to download, and this we see this second software also, and this third one. So all these three I explained how you can download. Now what you have to do, you have to install first software which you need to install is this one. Okay, this Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributable. So this software you have to install first. For installing this, what you need, directly you double click on that, and then you click next, and then you will be able to download. Sorry, download, not install. It will install. That is not much complicated steps for that. After installing this, you have to restart your computer system. If you don't restart, okay, since I already installed in my computer system, so that's why I do not need to again install. So simply next, and then it will be installed. After installing, what you have to do, you have to restart your computer system, then only it will work properly, otherwise it will not work properly. So since I have already installed, so crossing this. So are you sure you want to cancel? Yes, I do not want to install because I already installed. Next, second, it is VirtualBox. For VirtualBox, you double click on this, and then again here you will be able to install this very easily. Okay, simply you click yes, and then continue next, and this software will also install. No special way to make any kind of modification. It will work. Then the next, okay, now you see whether downloads, okay, it is being downloading, so I have to stop this, cancel. Okay, because it is 15.5 something, is more than 15 GB, so that's why it will take a lot of data, so I have to save data also. Now here I am. So these two you understood how to install. Now next one, it is to install this Xilinx software. So what you need to do is to click on the setup. Okay, what you need to do is to click on the setup. You double click on this, and here, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I want. So click on this, yes. When you click on that, then it will start to it will start to install. So you have to wait for some time. Yes. So now you see here, we are glad you have chosen now supported operating system. So Windows 10 Pro 64-bit and Windows 10 Enterprise 64-bit. On these two operating systems, you can install directly. No need of a virtual platform. Since my operating system is not this, because I will show you when I click. So see. So my operating system, it is of I think a different version, so that's why it was not able to install. Yes, now you see here it is Windows 10 Home single language. Okay, Windows Home, that is, so that's why I was not able to install this software directly on my computer. So that it was the problem. On these two operating systems, only this will work on Windows 10 Pro 64-bit and Windows 10 Enterprise 64-bit. Now then, but I have already downloaded and installed VirtualBox, so that's why this software will work on my system also. So for this, after this, you simply need to click this next. Okay, so click on the next button. So after clicking, you have to wait. Okay, then after it come Oracle Virtual Box installation detected. It means there is Oracle Virtual Box in my computer system that is already installed. So it is asking that an untested installation of Oracle Virtual Box detected. So that is no issue. It is already, I have already checked this, and it is working. So no problem. It is going to happen to your computer system. So you can use it. So what you need to do is to click on continue. So click on this continue. Then after, you have to see, you have to be agree by checking I agree, otherwise, so you have to click on agree at both places. And then after, click next, then here again next. Now next, what here a little bit setting you have to do. So here written, select the installation directory. So in C drive, this software is going to install. So this is the installation directories, and the second one is create program group entries, Xilinx design tools. Yes. And now create desktop shortcut. Yes, we want to create a desktop shortcut. Now this is very important. Select the directory to share with the virtual machine. Select the directory to share with the virtual machine means here this, you when you use this software on the virtual platform, then you will not be able to directly use the any kind of software or any kind of file which is present on my physical machine, or you can say on my computer, because physical machine, it will work different. Means you can think of that in my computer system, two computer systems are going to work, so they will not be able to interact directly. So the one pathway you have to create through which the virtual machine, or you can say virtual computer, and the physical computer can interact with each other. So this is the directory. So whatever file you are going to share, or whatever folder or whatever location you are going to share here uh, from the physical computer, so through that only you will be able to access any kind of file from your virtual platform. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to select this. So on the desktop I have created one folder, so that it was Xilinx. So this Xilinx folder I'm going to share. Means this Xilinx folder can be accessed by both the physical, because this is on the physical machine, so that's why you will be able to, and you will be able to access this same folder from the from your virtual machine also. Okay, other than this folder you will not be able to access any other folder or any other file from this computer. So that's why you can see C user on the desktop this is, so that's why you have to select. Now on the desktop this folder is present, so open. So this folder I shared. Okay, I will explain later on that how you can use this folder as a link in between your physical machine and the virtual machine. Then after click on next. Now yes, so when you click next, now it is ready to install. Now click on start installation. Now click on start. Now it started installing. Now you see, now it is installing. It will take some time, but you will have to keep patient, so wait for some time. Okay, I think that is already installed. Yes, now you can see here installation already done. Yes, it is over. So as you can see on your screen, that is a written installation completed successfully. So you have to click OK. Done. And now you minimize this. As you can see on my desktop, yes, desktop, here one icon came, project navigator. Here it came. So if you want to open this one, simply you can double click, or you can right click and then open, no issue, same thing. So I am double clicking on this. When you double click, then it will start. So you have to wait for some time. Okay, let it start. Now it is starting. So now you see, this is the way how it starts. So I already told you that I am using here virtual platform, virtual box I installed. So that's on that virtual machine, Oracle virtual machine, it is going to work. Okay, so here it is starting. Any kind of question if it comes to your mind, so please write in the comment section, so that I can sort out those all problems. Okay, so here and also means how to write down the code of PHDL or Verilog. So those things also, if you want to learn, then also you can write in the comment section, or any kind of question regarding your study, you can ask me. I will definitely try to give the answer for those all. Yes, here you have this platform. Yes, virtual machine. Now you can see at the top here it is written ISE 14.7 virtual machine. Okay, Oracle VM virtual box. So here on virtual platform it is working. So here cross this one. Now this is the okay, this one it is not coming, it is not fitting to your desktop. Okay, so what you can do here, you will have to view. So go to view, so that it will adjust according to your screen. Go to view, and then see, first of all minimize this, and then here you will see system. Okay, here at the top left corner, there it is view option. Go there, and then here I think this one adjust window, no, auto resize guest display. So here if you click, let me check which one it is going to work. Virtual screen, adjust window size. So view, adjust window size. I think any one of these options it will work. Resize to, I think whatever it is, the size of the screen according to that. Now it worked. Okay, so that's what I did. I went to this virtual screen, and then after this one I selected. Okay, now you have the desktop of this virtual scene. So here it is written the project navigator. Again you have to double click on this. As you double click on this, then a terminal will start, and then the software means that Xilinx ISE 14.7 it came here. Now maximize. Now this is the the first interface. Now to use this, what you can do, you can go to file, then new project. You write the name. You write down the name after going to file, new project, create the project. Name of the project you can write down anything, just like I'm writing. You can say demo. In capital I'm writing. Sorry, demo. That is the name of the project, and here top level source type. Here source type means HDL, just like hardware description language or schematic or any one of these you can choose. Right now I'm not going to use a schematic. I'm going to use a HDL, means just like a VSDL or Verilog. If you have to use then HDL, you have to select. And in case if you want a schematic, so by using a schematic, if you want to design any IC, then in that case a schematic you can choose. So here I'm keeping this as it is, then click on next. Then now after what you have, you have to select the family. So family means what is this, I will show you. When you go to Google, I will show you what it is. Xilinx Xilinx you see, these are different kinds of boards which you can use. You can see on your screen, these are different boards from Xilinx, and here in the center you can see now you see here, and in the center you have FPGA chip. Okay, and this is the whole board. This kind of thing, and this board looks like this, and if you want to see from the top, then it will look like this. So this is now, so different versions are given there. So if you go here, now you see it is family means many different families of this board are there. So out of this you have to choose anyone, just like in the lab there it is a Spartan 3, so I selected Spartan 3. Then device type it is XC3S400, so I selected that. And package type it was it is PQ208, and the speed it is -4. So this is the specification. So how you can use the data set of this also I'm going to explain you. Now you see this, whatever I selected now, so that I selected from the data set. So data set, so simply you type in into the data set of Spartan. Okay, Spartan 3 na, Spartan 3. So if you so now you see here PDF, you will get Spartan 3 FPGA family dataset. You simply click on that and you will be able to download that. And whatever I selected now, so that I select is like device name, device package, or speed. So those things I selected by reading, by studying this dataset. Means now you see Spartan now XC3S 1000 given now, so specification given just like this one I selected, because this IC is there in the lab, so that's a XC3S 400 PQ208 that is written, and the speed or grade written 4C. So this by study means if you want to know in detail about this all specification, then you can write in the comment section. Definitely I will make on that also, means I will make video on that also, means how you can use dataset to understand hardware kit of Xilinx. So now you see, so a lot of informations are given, so you can use these informations to design. Now you so you as you go at you can see many kind of informations are given here, so you can use and then accordingly. So only I shown you so that you can understand that how to use this. And then after, what you have to do, so XST means iSIM simulator. These are uh, the simulators, means you can use any one of these simulator according to the software you are using. Then after Verilog or VSDL, you can use the language in which you are going to write the code, and then after you click next, and then here it is the summary, whatever you selected according to that summary of the project you have. Then after you click on finish. After clicking on finish, this kind of screen it will come. So then what you have to do, you have to select now XC3S 400 PQ208 written. So click on that, means you selected that on that particular ICE chip. You are going to write, means you are going to uh, you can say use your code. So that's why click on that and select that, and then after, here just below design, there it is coming new source. So if you do not have the code, then you have to click on the new source, and if you already have the program, then in that case you simply need to click add source, and then you can add from the source, means wherever you have saved your program, that you can bring here. So since I do not have, so that's why I will click on the new source. So write on new source, click on, after clicking on the new source, go to VSDL module, and then write down the name, just like here I'm writing logic, that much. Okay, VSDL module. If you are writing code in VSDL, then you have to click on VSDL module, and if you are writing code in Verilog, then you have to click on Verilog module. So since I'm writing code in VSDL, so that's why VSDL module. Then after click on next, and now I see the directory location where it is going to say home ISE demo. Okay, on the home, or you can say the desktop, it is going to save the name of demo. Then after clicking next, then here you can select input output ports also, just like if you are writing code for AND gate, then 2 inputs and 1 outputs, here you can define, or otherwise you can write down the code into the you can say program. You can define the inputs and outputs in the program itself. If it is of single bit, then okay, and if it is of multiple bits, then you have to select buses. Okay, bus you have to select for multiple bits. Then right now I'm not going to define the input and output port, so I'm going to leave this as it is. Then after click on next, then finish. When you click there, now here you have the stream. Now from here you can start writing the program. I think you understood. So Thank you all. If any kind of question you get, then please